Hello, welcome to Felix Chats. I'm Felix. I make listening practice videos so you can practice your listening and understanding. Today, I'm going to talk about shopping. Shopping can be a fun activity for a lot of people, but for me, I hate shopping. I don't really like to go shopping. I think one reason is because I am a picky shopper. To be picky means to be very selective when you choose something. For example, a child can be a picky eater when they don't like a lot of food. Well, I am picky with clothes. Sometimes I go shopping and only buy one shirt, or sometimes I don't buy anything. I rarely like the clothes I try on in the fitting room. I think the clothes don't look good on my body. Shopping can also take a long time. I get very bored and tired after shopping for about 30 minutes. But if I go shopping, I like to go to the mall. I like the vibe. People are walking around, they're hanging out, and there are places to sit and eat. The mall is great because all the shops are close together. I like to shop at shops like Zara, Pull& Bear, Bershka, and sometimes H&M. I also like thrift shops. Thrift shops are shops that sell used clothing. Thrift shops can also be called secondhand shops. There is a thrift shop in Spain called Umana. There is a big selection of clothes. Sometimes they have a big sale on the entire store. For instance, they lower the price on everything in the shop to 5 euros. So everything in the shop is 5 euros. They even have a sale when everything is 2 euros. It's great. But I hate shopping. But online shopping is worse. It can be comfortable to shop at home, on your computer, or on your phone, but when the clothes arrive to your house, sometimes they don't fit. They're too big or too small. And sometimes it doesn't look like what it looked like online. Sometimes the color is not the same. Sometimes the fabric is not what you thought. It's horrible. Okay, we're finished. In the comments, let me know if you like to shop or if you don't. And if you do, where do you like to shop? And if you don't, why not? Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! Here you can click to subscribe or you can click to practice more. Alright, see you next time.